Coming up in this video, we are going to be cleaning this Ferrari which has drove all the way from France. Hello my friend, how can I help you?
Bonjour Mr. Tino. I'm going to be in London soon and need my car to be cleaned.
Okay, that's all booked in. See you then. Stay tuned chaps, as we have a very interesting job ahead of us, as the Ferrari is on its way to London now. Due to the long journey, this Ferrari has collected a large amount of bugs and road grime. The interior is going to need a real deep clean too. Who else loves these car detailing sounds? Now that I have cleaned these wheels, I rinsed them down. Time for the blue snow foam. That looks out of this planet. Subscribe if you're enjoying this. I let the blue snow foam sit on the Ferrari and loosen up the international dirt. Let's perform the pressure wash. Now let's hand wash the Ferrari to take out that final stubborn layer of dirt. Chaps, all of the products you see us using are available on tinocarcare.com. The link is in the description. So head on over there now and stay tuned to not miss out on the seasonal sales too. I move on from the intricate areas and clean the lower portions of the car. Time to rinse off the shampoo.
I nearly scratched it.
Clearly this car needs to be protected. So let's apply the Tino ceramic snow foam. This will protect the Ferrari against the elements and keep it cleaner for longer. The water is having trouble sticking to the car, which is good, as dirt is made of around 70% water. Let's dry this masterpiece. Time to clean up the door shuts. The glass is given a crystal clear finish too. In the meantime, my brother takes care of the interior, dusting down the upper surfaces before performing a vacuum clean. Time to deep clean the levers, plastics and vinyls of this Ferrari. The carpets are also deep cleaned and extracted to bring them back to life. These are the turbo watches, which are the sponsors of today's video. They are inspired by your favorite cars and actually have a 360 spinning wheel. So be sure to check out the amazing range of watches on their website, turbowatches.shop. The link is in the description. I now apply a good shine and go over any imperfections with the exterior detailer. To complete the wash, the tyres are shined. Here are your results. Enjoy. Amazing finish on both the interior and exterior. Anyways chaps, I hope you have enjoyed this video and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.